Hi everyone, it's Lori from Dee's, and today we're going to show you a quick, easy project on how to decorate some beautiful pumpkins to sit around in your home for the holidays. We're going to start out with these styrofoam pumpkins. These are the best because you can go ahead and decorate them now, have them ready, and you don't have to worry about them going bad. And you get to put them away for next year and you have all your work done. They're available in lots of colors and styles. We've got white, we've got large, we've got small, we've got orange. So today we're going to use this beautiful orange one, and I'm going to show you how you can make this quick and easy. We're going to start out with this pretty pick. This is a nice pick because it has your flower, the sunflower. It has some berries and it has some leaves. Remember, you always want to fluff them up and bring them to life. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to trim off some of the stem on this. And of course, you want to remove the price tag. But because this is a styrofoam pumpkin, this is so easy. We're going to be able to just lay this right on our pumpkin. And then we have these lovely greening pins. These are little U-shaped pins that you can use for floral. But what's nice is these can poke right into our styrofoam pumpkin to hold our piece in place. So I'm just going to use a couple, and it's going to hold that right in place. Next, we're going to choose some fun ribbon. I have the Whimsy polka dot ribbon, and I have a little bit narrower plaid, and I'm just going to make a simple bow. Sometimes I'll just do one loop so we have a couple of extra tails. And we're going to take some cloth covered wire our bow off, just wrap it around, twist it like a bread tie, trim off our ends, and again we're going to use one of our greening pins, just like this. I'm going to put that greening pin over the center of my bow, and we're just going to tuck it right in and push that pin right into our pumpkin. Take our scissors, make those pretty V-cuts. Don't forget those. Trim our ribbons. And you have a beautiful pumpkin to sit on your tables. Quick and easy. This one, we used this beautiful bittersweet stem that has sticks and the berries. I just put this apart, cut this apart in two portions and poked them right into the pumpkin again and added my ribbon. And another cute idea would be to decorate little pumpkins, and you could put these on your place settings for your guests. Quick and easy. Thanks for joining us here at Dee's.